Morning guys, March 13th, 2026. I got a call from a lady. She got a shower on the first floor that's not getting hot water. Unbelievable. I think it's something to do with the spindle, but these tub shower valves, you got to use them regularly or sometimes they start giving you issues. I think this might be the setup over here. She's got a tub shower on the second floor they use most of the time, and the one on the first, I don't believe they use it that often because it's, you know, like a second bathroom, and I know all the bedrooms are on the second floor, so you would figure they would use the second floor bathroom shower more. That's just what I'm thinking, so I'm not 100% sure about that. But if it's a Simmons, most likely it's that cartridge. You take the cartridge out and you should be able to hear it, move it back and forth, you should be able to hear it click. If it don't click, that's the issue. Them cartridges are a problem. You have to go with the OEM cartridges. Don't buy the ones from China because they don't work. They have to be OEM Simmons cartridges. I've tried buying them other cheap ones and I had to throw them all out. They don't work. One thing about those, don't waste your money on those foreign ones. Not with the Simmons anyway. The other cartridges, they work sometimes. Different brands. I've bought the foreign Moen ones and the American Standard, and they seem to be okay. But the Simmons, not so much. Obviously you're going to pay more for OEM than you are for the cheaper ones. I mean, we'll try to get you some shots over there when I can, when I get over there. Work's been a little slow. Hopefully it picks up. I got 3 calls to do this morning, so. I gotta take this handle off of here. And set the valve a little better. There's a little. Put that right up there with the scum. When you gonna retire?
I've already retired once.
Keep working?
I like to work.
I can retire, a full retirement at 67, they say.
Well, I didn't retire at 67, but.
I can start collecting that Social Security money
Yeah,
I've been putting in there all these years. I don't know. Might as well, right? I mean, it's just sitting there.
Well, I work part-time. I don't sit around anyway. And I like to work, so as long as I can work and
I like working too. I'm not saying I don't like working, but
yeah. No, as long as I can get up, my job is not stressful or.
this fucking thing is like. Why? What's the problem here? Fucking thing. I don't think that's the size. Your grandson putting any more toothbrushes in the toilet?
No, not to my knowledge.
That's funny. Huh?
You'd be surprised what they put down the toilets.
Yeah.
Oh, you probably wouldn't be, I'm sure.
Oh no, I've seen it all. You're shitting me.
I'm sure
I've seen it all. Nothing surprises me. Last time it was a piece of wood.
Oh, like a toy block or something like that. I can't remember. No, everything's.
It was one of the covers from the unit down up.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. I remember that. Yeah.
There was a
No, he's not in that-
wooden cover
He's
from
not
one
in
of
that
the
stage anymore.
Q-tip containers or something, you know?
If something falls in there by accident, that's about it, because he doesn't do that anymore.
Yeah, by accident, all right, yeah. Now, before that was a toothbrush. Oh, so bigger. Well, that was a toothbrush. What's gonna be next? I don't know. This fucker giving me a problem. This is this one. Oh. There it is. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. I'm gonna make sure you get the right one on there. There is a setting on that. Looks like it's in a little bit more than I should be, when I could back it out and we'll try it. They'll let you open the valve more.
Oh, I see. Yeah, okay.
That stop does is when you run it, it only lets the handle open so much. Well, now we'll try it. That should be alright to adjust it. I'm gonna make sure it don't burn you, because I don't want you coming at me. I don't want to get somebody get burnt, you know?
Oh, I get it.
And once I get it where I want it and I can set it, yeah, definitely be harder. Your grandson did the plumbing deal on this, or what?
No, my granddaughter's boyfriend put it in.
A little better right there. Something like that. Oh, she's got a boyfriend now?
Yeah, well, that's a little boy's father, so he's been around a while.
Yeah, it was definitely not getting warm enough. Getting warm now.
Yeah, we like the hot, you know.
Pretty much right there is where I need to be.
Shower.
Huh?
I don't like a tepid shower. I like a hot shower. If I feel it's too hot, I'll just turn it down. But I like a
Well,
hot
I can't leave it too hot and somebody gets burnt here and then I'm in trouble.
how hot
Alright, so
do you-
I'm leaving it right there. You will check it.
Leave it as hot as
Go
you can make it.
go ahead and check it and see what you think. Careful, you don't hurt yourself. Yeah. Can you reach?
Oh, I guess that's all right. It's hot.
I can't go any hotter than that legally.
Okay.
You're not doing a full knee?
No.
They say that's. I was talking to a lady that just had that done, and it was pretty dramatic from what she was saying.
Well, depends on
Supposedly
who you
that's
go to, I
worse.
guess.
That's worse than just doing the whole.
I don't know.
So I adjusted, definitely warmer than it was. I mean, I cranked the thing way up.
All
so.
right, so you did make it warmer.
Oh, a lot. Yeah, by a lot.
Okay, all right. Well, then that should work. 'Cause we've been using the one upstairs, and it's not easy with my son in the tub and everything. This is a lot better for him. That's why, you know, I wanted this one to get
Well, this
fixed.
thing is definitely off. That's why the flipping thing is. The handle's kind of flopping in the wind here. You want me to change the handle while I'm here?
Can you? Do you have one that'll fit?
I do, because this one is, look how loose this is. See how it's going back and forth?
Yeah.
I can put a new handle on there because this was not the thing's breaking. I mean, and it's gonna break on you, and you're not gonna. Let me put a new handle on there on here.
I appreciate that.
A new handle on there. A different style, but it'll be fine. Old style.
Please keep these brave airmen, their families, friends, and units in your thoughts in the coming hours and days.
Secretary Hegseth provided operational updates saying Iran's ballistic missile capability is down 90%, calling ballistic missile production inside Iran both defeated. Its attack drones are down 95%. General Kane said today, up to the sound of an
Put a new handle on a different style. Alright, a little different. I